Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a subdomain and install WordPress in Hostinger. Before we begin, you can also get 20% off Hostinger when you use the link down below in the description. Now let's get started. First up, open your Hostinger right here and select your web hosting. As you can see, I have premium web hosting. So just need to click on this manage button. And basically, you'll find the side menu right here, the left side of your screen, and just click on domains and click on this subdomains here. Now here on the next page, you will find create new subdomain. So here, basically just need to enter the subdomain name. So for example, I want to type my subdomain, and I want to recommend you to check this box right here. And then here on directory, you just need to type your folder name. Basically, I just want to type here __ and then my subdomain. And then click on this create button right here. So we just need to wait here until it added to your subdomain. So basically, it's just a few seconds right here. So here you can create also multiple subdomains, as many as you want. So for example, I just want to add more or add another subdomain. So enter subdomain name. So for example, my second subdomain, and then click on this custom folder. And then here on folder name, _, and then type here my second subdomain. And then just need to click on this create button. So here you can see I have two subdomains now on my Hostinger. So basically that's simple how you can do that. So if you want to find that files, so go here on the side menu and just find the files right here. So click on this one and click on file manager. And then here click on access files. So you can see the subdomain files here. So it will open a new tab on your browser. And right from here you will find the public HTML. So double click on this one. Then basically you'll find here your two subdomain. So that's how you can see your subdomains here on your files. Now if you want to install your WordPress on your Hostinger, all you need to do here, go to your side menu again, click on this website, then click on this WordPress. So basically click on this WordPress, and then you will find this next page. You'll find install WordPress. So install the recent version of WordPress to your website. And you just have to click on install button. And here, once you've done that, you just need to complete all the details, the website title. So for example, I want to type subdomain. And then here you can add your admin username and also your admin password. And then once you've done, click on this advanced drop-down menu. And then here, just leave it blank right here, subdirectory, and click on next. And then here on this page, you will find all the informations about the installation. So you can choose update schedule. And once you've done here, just need to click on the install button, and you just need to wait until the WordPress is installed on your Hostinger. And there you go, we have installed the WordPress on your Hostinger website plan. So that's how you basically create a subdomain and install WordPress in Hostinger. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.